Hey, I'm Will Gillespie, Commercial Accounts Manager at Vic Bailey Ford Lincoln. Just wanted to show you one of our cargo transits, one of our most popular vehicles. Ford owns the market in this segment. This is the smallest cargo transit that you can get besides the Connect. This is the short wheelbase, so it gives you 10 feet of cargo floor length behind the front seats. And this is your low roof, so it gives you about 5 feet of height inside the cargo area as well. This one has the sliding door. You can't get cargo doors. This one's got the vinyl floor protector. You can get them as large as an extended length high roof, which gives you 14 feet of cargo floor length and 6 feet 7 inches of height in the cargo area. But there's over 300 different combinations of them. You can tailor them to your business. A lot of companies like to get the laptop tables, and you can get the plug-in up front where you can plug in a laptop and your employee can work from the front of the vehicle. You can add ladder racks, shelving. We usually order them fairly basic, so you can do pretty much whatever you want to them. You can set them up for HVAC or plumbing or just about anything in the world. They got nice drop-down ladder racks for the taller versions. You can get it on the low version as well, but really flexible vehicle. You can pretty much tailor it however you want to meet your business needs. You're welcome to give me a call anytime. Just call the dealership, ask for Will Gillespie. I'll be happy to go over options with you.